So let's solve the quadratic equation that we have here. We are told to use the substitution y is equals to x raised to power x to solve the equation. So our equation we are given it as 2 raised to 2x power 1, plus 1 minus 3 multiplied by 2 raised to x plus 1 is equals to negative 4. So if now we are told that if y is equals to 2 power x, then we need to get 2 raised to 2 power 2x. So if this is the case, this one tells us that 2 raised to 2 power x is equal to y squared. So let us now replace with what we have. Remember, the one here tells us that the base that was here is 2. So it was 2 raised to power 1. So let us now solve the equation. So where we have 2 raised to power 2x, we are going to replace with y squared. So y squared multiplied by, let us count for this 1. So it is 1 multiplied to power 1, raised to power 1 minus 3 multiplied by, remember all these we replaced it with y, so y multiplied by 2 raised to power 1 is equals to negative 4. So this one gives us 2y squared minus, this one gives us 6y. Let us now bring this at the other side, plus 4 should give us 0. So if you look at our equation that we have here, we can divide both sides by 2 to simplify it further. So we'll have y squared minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then you can look for two numbers that when you multiply them you get positive 2, and when you add them you get negative 3, and that one automatically gives us negative 2 and negative 1. So we'll have y squared minus y minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. So y minus 1 minus 2 y minus 1 is equal to 0. So we'll have y minus 2, then we pick 1, y minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies that y minus 2 is equal to 0 and y is equals to 2. The other one, y minus 1 is equal to 0, the y is equals to 1. And remember now what we replaced y with, or what was representing y. So let us solve for the value of x. For the first value of y, so we replace y is equals to 2. So 2 raised to x is equals to 2, because this is what the value of y represents. So if 2 raised to power x is equal to 2, this tells us that x is equal to 2, not 2 but 1, which number that when we raise 2 to power h, it gives us 2. This one tells us that the value of x in this case is supposed to be 1. the other one, y is equals to 1. So 2 power x is equals to 1. So any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. And this one tells us that the value of x in this case is 0.